Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Thursday, July 11th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here while I drive over to the soap shop. I got a bunch of orders to pack up and ship out today. And Tina's going to be making some soap, so it's a busy day. But I just wanted to talk to you about iCoinPRO. All right, this is just an amazing opportunity. It's an amazing company. It's an amazing system. And I just can't get over it. I just cannot get over it, to be honest with you. You're going to be able to learn a skill set that nobody is ever going to be able to, take away from you. You're going to have it for the rest of your life. And that is learning how to trade cryptocurrency the right way, okay? The gentleman behind it, or there's two guys behind this, but the creator of it, Justin Clark, he is a marketing or a crypto trading genius, all right? And he's a marketing genius as well. But he just knows everything about the crypto world. And when Coinbase wanted to revamp their platform, they called Justin in to help them do that. So the other gentleman, Paul D'Souza, he's another crypto trading expert. And, these two gentlemen put together, they just have come up with an awesome company. The company was founded in 2017, but they just went ahead and implemented a brand new Powerline matrix marketing system. So we have a 2x15 forced matrix. We have a Powerline driven marketing system. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. But it's a really great marketing system. And they have a brand new compensation plan. So it's just an awesome business opportunity if you're looking to supplement your income or replace your income, or you might want to try, dabble in the work from home industry. This is something that can be very lucrative just by promoting and sharing iCoinPRO with other people. Now, on the flip side of that, and this is what makes this product so awesome, is that you can actually earn money with the product. All right, most network marketing companies or MLM companies, you do not make any money with the product, okay? You pay for the product. You're probably gonna use the product because it's, you might be selling pills or, vitamins or whatever it is. But usually, and in fact, I don't ever remember seeing any product that I've been a part of or any company where I actually made money from the product itself. So you can come into this opportunity and you can do one of three things, or you can do all of them actually, but you can come in and just promote the business side, which there's a lot of people doing. You can come in and learn how to day trade cryptocurrency, or you can come in and do both. And I'm doing both. I'm sharing the opportunity with other people, and I'm learning how to crypto trade, which I never in a million years thought I would be doing. But it's exciting, okay? It's like playing a video game that pays you. And the way that they have this laid out, the training is incredible, okay? They literally take you step by step. They teach you everything in a very simple way on how you can day trade and make micro profits, all right? So you're talking about profits that are maybe 0.5% to 1%, 3%, 5%, 10%. You never have to worry about losing all of your money, all right? And Justin has a 97% success rate with his trades, all right? And they use the exact same trading platform. It's all in-house, all right? They designed a trading platform that is in-house. It works with all the big crypto exchanges. It's just awesome. It's absolutely awesome. I didn't realize how easy crypto trading can be when you have the proper training, all right? Because, just looking at one of those graphs, if you've ever been on an exchange, it can be overwhelming. But this is broken down, it's simplified, it's super easy. You can go through the training in, a day or two, depending on your schedule. It might take you a little bit longer. And you can be up and trading in, a matter of days. So it's just an awesome opportunity. The business opportunity is awesome. I believe there's 5 different ways that you can get paid by sharing this with other people. And you just got to check it out. There's a link below this video somewhere. Click on it, take the tour, watch the video, enter your information in the capture page. And once you do that, you're going to be taken to another page that has 6 or 7 videos on it. They're all 2 to 3 minutes long. and it'll show you, Justin will show you exactly how everything works. It doesn't get any easier than this, folks. If you want to have something that can literally change your life, check this out. All right, it's not a crypto scam. You know, a lot of times crypto gets a bad rap because there's so much scams, or you know, so many scams that, you know, crypto's, you know, people just scam people in crypto. But this is not like that. This is a legit opportunity. Like I said, it's been in business since 2017. Justin and Paul are super credible people. They're online all the time. I've written to Justin with some questions. He wrote right back to me, and it's just incredible. So I can't say enough good things about it. I'm going to keep sharing this opportunity because I'd be doing a disservice by not sharing it with people. So click that link. Let me know if you have any questions. Watch the video, fill out that form, and then watch the 6 or 7 videos in there. Like I said, you can get through all those videos in 20 minutes, and you'll be shocked at just how amazing this is. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I look forward to working and earning with you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you're watching this on YouTube, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. All right? So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.